Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this ColourPop BFF liquid liner to try out, and I have it in a fun shade called The Hills, which looks like this green, maybe teal type of shade. And this is a product that I got in my ColourPop mystery box. So not a product that I normally would purchase on my own. It's kind of out of my comfort zone, but I hear great things about the ColourPop liquid liners, and I feel like a fun colored liquid liner just appeals to me more than the same old black liquid liner. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to look. It's cruelty-free. It retails for $9, and it does come in a bunch of other fun shades as well. And I think this is also supposed to be a super fine tip, which should hopefully be easier for me to apply because I am not great at liquid liner, and I am shaking it because that's what the instructions say to do. So let's see what the applicator looks like. Ooh, yes, it does look like a very fine tip, which is hopefully promising. Let's go ahead and do a swatch. Oh my gosh, okay, that is really nice. It's a felt tip, but it's flexible and it has a lot of ink in it, so it doesn't seem to poke at the eye at all. Great pigment and a really fun color. So here is how that swatch looks. So this really does seem like it's going to be one of the easier type of liquid liners to apply, but let's go ahead and find out. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love that it really does show up very vibrant. Oh, and it is super easy and precise to apply. It doesn't poke at the eye at all. And since it's such a fine, sharp tip, it can get right on to the lash line. And that's important to me with a liquid liner because I don't like when there's that little separation between the lashes and the liner and when you just can't get right on the lash line. But this really is so easy. It's so easy that I'm almost tempted to do a little bit of a wing. But I just kind of extended the liner a little bit and I think that looks good. I should stop there because I have no skills when it comes to doing winged liner, but this was so quick and easy, and I love how that looks. I have green eyes, and I feel like this is kind of enhancing the green eye in a very casual, toned down way, but it does amp up the eye look. I mean, look at with it versus without it. That looks really nice. I am very pleasantly surprised by this. I love when I get a product in like a subscription box, a mystery box, that's out of my comfort zone that I would not have purchased on my own, but I end up really loving it. Like, I can't stop looking in the mirror here. I love how this looks. Okay, I'm shaking it up again. I feel like it did dry a little bit. So to do the other eye, let's see if it's still just as inky. Oh yeah, it seems like it's still got enough ink to apply very easily. Wow, I really like this color. It's definitely like a pop of color, but yet still pretty wearable. Wow. The line is not jagged, it's full opaque pigment right on that lash line. Yeah, I get the hype. This is one of my favorite liquid liners I've ever used. It's just so easy and so gentle on the eye. Let's see if there's any smudging. Oh my gosh, absolutely no smudging or budging. That's another important feature of a liquid liner. So wow, everything about this is great. I have no complaints, and $9 is such a great price point for a really good liquid liner. I never even thought I'd say this, but I actually want this liquid liner in other colors. Like, I love this liquid liner. I would actually see myself wearing it very often. So wow, I highly recommend this, but if you have tried this out in any other shades, let me know in the comments down below how those are, which ones are your favorites. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.